Hello everybody, Benga Olatunji here. Performance management and looking at information systems, and it's going to be in series because of how bulky it is. So we are looking at performance management information systems as a series, and it is expected that we should know and study under this performance management and information, performance management and sources of information. We are to know about the big data. We are to know about recording and processing methods of information recording. It is expected of us to know information systems for performance management. It's equally expected from us the effect of IT, that is information technology, on performance management and critical success factors to IT implementation. These are the jugglers that are expected of us to have learned under this topic and as a series. So under information systems in performance management, now we are going to learn types of information transaction processing systems, which we call TPS, management information systems, MIS, office automation systems, OAS, decision support systems, DSS, executive information systems, EIS, expert systems. We need to know ES. What are expert systems? And last but not the least, we need to know and have knowledge of work systems, KWS, knowledge work systems. These are the subtopics under information systems in performance management that we are going